Magandang araw sa inyong mga kaguro. Ngayong araw ay may bago tayong good news at tungkol ito sa 2022 Complete List of Benefits and Cash Allowances for DepEd Teachers. Para malaman ang buong detalye, please watch this. 2022 Complete List of Benefits and Cash Allowances for DepEd Teachers. DepEd teachers look forward to their benefits and cash allowances every year. These are the allowances and benefits teachers await to receive and motivate them in a way that they count the days so they could finally get their hands on these benefits to sustain their needs and somehow their personal projects. Moreover, teachers are worthy of more than just figures as they serve as the molders of young minds. Here's the 2022 complete list of benefits and cash allowances for DepEd teachers. Lamang ang ating update ngayong araw. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page. BFAM salamat!